Hey guys, welcome to another video. So unfortunately I had to return my GoPro Hero 10. It continuously was heating up and freezing up, and also had problems connecting to the GoPro app on my phone, and I had to reset it a total of 4 times before I decided to return it back to JB Hi-Fi. So JB Hi-Fi is like an electronics retailer in Australia. So yeah, even when I was recording videos, it used to just freeze up or would stop automatically. Whenever I wanted to just change settings, even it would just freeze up, and I could not even install firmware version 1.2 on it. It just failed to transfer the update across from the phone to the GoPro Hero 10. So I decided enough was enough. I was going to return this back to the store and downgrade to the Hero 9. So I got myself a Hero 9. I'll do another video on the Hero 9 and let you guys know if it's worth getting the Hero 9 versus the Hero 10, because yeah, I've seen reviews saying that it does keep freezing and overheating. After I did the first factory reset, it did work better. It stopped freezing, but after, let's say, a couple of weeks, it started doing the same thing. So if you are hoping to get a Hero 10, think twice. Get the Hero 9, which is proven to work better anyway. So stay tuned for the Hero 9 setup, and I'll let you guys know whether it's much better than the Hero 10. So until next time, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thanks for visiting my channel throughout 2021, and see you the next year. See ya.